Are you tired of feeling sore, weak, or wanting to lose weight and build a perfect body? Here introducing the new 8 pieces wooden massage kit. Made of 100% natural beech wood, with smooth and burr-free surfaces, and edges that are skin-friendly and very comfortable to use. This kit includes 1 wooden muscle massage 12 rollers stick, 1 wooden muscle massage 9 rollers stick, 1 wooden 3 cubes muscle massage roller stick, 1 wooden 5 cubes muscle massage roller stick, 1 wooden massage cup, 1 wooden body gua sha tool, 1 wooden back massage roller rope, and 1 wooden mushroom massager. But that's not all. These wooden massage tools can be used in conjunction with massage oil to not only improve blood circulation, promote lymphatic drainage and release muscle tension, but also reduce localized fatty tissue and keep your skin firm. Using it for a few minutes a day helps with digestion and stomach health, relieves insomnia, back pain, fatigue, and sleepiness. This lymphatic drainage tool set is widely used on the neck, shoulder, back, lower back, waist, hip, thigh, calf, and other parts of the body. It can be used by people of any age to strengthen their bodies. And it's not just a great addition to your self-care routine, it also makes for a perfect gift for your parents and friends on Thanksgiving, Christmas, and other holidays. Order your 8 pieces wooden massage kit today and start feeling the natural benefits of wood therapy.